I am a big fan of black cars and a big fan of clay bars. They are a vital tool for us black car freaks. But it's super easy to scratch your car if you don't buy the right one and learn the right way to use it. I have spent a lot of time testing all types of clay bars. My research shows that a clay bar is still the best way to remove contamination from paint. Most experts would agree with me on this. Especially before compound and polish application. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best clay bar kit for black cars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gryus Garage Yellow Fine Surface Prep Mitt. This premium clay mitt is as good as it gets for clay mitts. Gryus Garage Yellow Fine Surface Prep Mitt comes in two versions called Fine, Yellow, and Fast, Red. The Fine Mitt is not very aggressive and is perfect for giving your car a quick wipe down before waxing. You need to use plenty of lubrication with the clay mitt, or you could scratch your car. Gryus recommend their own detail spray called Speed Shine. It's a massively popular product in its own right. Buy the red or fast version of the Gryus Surface Prep Mitt if your car needs a lot of work and you are planning on polishing your car. This mitt is aggressive and can cause some paint marring, which is why you could need to polish your car afterward. Number 2. Adams Fine Grade Clay Bar Combo. Adams Fine Grade Clay Bar Combo Kit is a superb quality product. Even though it's a finer light clay, it has removed some heavy contamination for me. I don't see any scratches on my clear coat after using this product. It takes a lot longer to detail your car with this clay bar when compared to a clay mitt, but the results are just as good when done properly. This product is also a lot cheaper. The little tub it comes with is fantastic for keeping your clay protected while it's not in use. Number 3. Chemical Guys Light Duty Clay Bar and Lubricant. Chemical Guys produce good quality products. Chemical Guys Light Duty Clay Bar and Lubricant offer great value for money and comes with its own dedicated clay bar lubricant. The Chemical Guys lubricant is super slick and will protect your paint from scratches, provided you use enough of it. You could use half a bottle on an average size car. A full bottle could be used to clay bar one SUV. The blue clay bar is for light contamination. Yellow is for medium, and black is for heavy contamination. The kit holds just one bar, which is fine if you are just doing your own car and don't want to keep a spare clay bar lying around. However, it doesn't come with a reusable tub as the Adams product does. Number 4. Chemical Guys Medium Clay Bar and Lubricant. Chemical Guys offers 4 different clay bars in its lineup, depending on your needs. Your choices are original, light, medium, and heavy, and each clay bar has a different color to represent its type. The medium and heavy clay bars are professional grade products, fairly stiff and not easy to shape. They are, however, very good at removing any kind of contaminants in your paint and overspray. But no matter which clay bar you choose, it's one of the best out there if you have the experience and patience to properly use it. It's a non-abrasive product, so it's safe for all aluminum, chrome, fiberglass, paint, and finishes. It includes a 16-ounce bottle of Chemical Guys Clay Luber. Number 5. Lithium 4 Clay and Luster Lube. If you love automotive puns and products that can clean your exterior like nothing else, have a look at this Lithium 4 Clay and Luster Lube kit. In fact, 4 Clay and Luster Lube ceramic infused clay lube work together to remove road grime, brake dust, and a host of other pollutants with ease. But beyond decontaminating your paint, this combination from Lithium Auto also protects as you are breathing new life back into your paint. It is the perfect way to prep your vehicle for any sealants or waxes you want to apply. The dye-free white color of the 4 Clay makes any contaminants easy to spot. It is made of ultra-fine volcanic mud, and it won't scratch your paint. Meanwhile, the SiO2-infused Luster Lube is impressively hydrophobic and makes for a great detailer spray. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.